If you don't have Adobe Premiere Pro, don't worry. I have given the file and how to install Premiere Pro for free in the video description below. Unzip the template after downloading. There are 2018 and 2019 plus versions. And this is the font used in the project. Now, let me show you how to edit and use the template. Move to the Windows tag and select the Essential Graphics panel. Click on this icon to import the template. Just place the template on your video like that. Here in the Edit tab, you can change the channel name and tagline. And change text position and scale from here. Here, you can change text color. Change left and right shape color from here. This end screen template is 15 seconds long, you can trim it and make it shorter.